Pixie, what are they doing? They're repairing my sensor from all the damage. They're repairing it, Pixie. They're repairing it. If you lost something during the hurricane or a natural disaster, or really in life, my heart is with you. We are here in our body, in our spirit, always. Well, spirit always, body temporary, things on this earth, material, heavy, heavy, heavy weight. But when it comes to your home, your work, things that you would do every day, it feels a little bit heavier or a lot heavier. And you will survive. Just know that.